Hello friends, how you all are? I hope you all are very well. So today I am here with you to share one interesting story about the value of time. There was a couple, they had the two little twin sons. The one name is Sonu and the another name is Monu. The Sonu was the very distant and hardworking child and Monu was the lazy and every time eager to postpone his works. So on Sunday, Sonu and Monu wake up early morning. Sonu took the bath and take his books and started to preparation for his English project. Later on, his father wake up and asked to Sonu, "What happened, my dear child? Why you wake up early in the morning and started to study?" Sonu described the entire thing and tell him, "I have to prepare for the English project and the Hindi test that will be tomorrow." He asked to Monu, "Why are you not preparing for that?" He told him, "My dear father, I got only one day at the weekend and on that day you found the same timetable from my side that I have to wake up early and started to study. Although I studied the whole 6 years of the day, I should have to take relax that last one day of the Sunday." His father said, "It's okay, my dear child. You both can do as per your choice." Later on, he saw that Sonu took the relax and started to make the English project. He asked to Monu, "What is now your plan? It is this time is good for your study." He tell his father, "Oh dear father, it is a time. Just I played right now. I have finished my game. I will take the relax right now and later on I will study." He tried to understand him. "My dear Monu, Sonu had completed his work of Hindi test and now he is preparing for the English project. You should also have to start your Hindi project or either English project." But he denied to start and convinced his father for the relax. Later on, that the evening time came, the Sonu has prepared his English project and he was revised for the Hindi test. At that time, Monu's mother said to Monu, "My dear child, it's a evening, so you should have to study right now." He said to his mother, "My dear mom, it's just only the evening and the test will be tomorrow, not today. So I have the enough time to study and I will do everything. No need to worry about it." Monu's mother scolded him and tried to understand him कि you should have to study right now. But Monu explained her that my friends is about to come and I have to go for play. I have the only one day to play and I feel happy for this. So Monu mother just say, "It's okay, my dear child, but it's a wrong habit that you always postpone your work." That moment, Sonu has completed his entire work and he was just revising his work. Later on, his father came back to his home and he asked the Sonu and Monu where they both are to his mother. His mother replied that Sonu was in his study room and Monu went outside. That time, while they talking, the Monu came back and his father saw him. He was very tensed and full of sweating. His father said him, "My dear son, you should have to take bath right now and later on you should have to study." But Monu denied to study at this moment and he said, "Mama, please offer me the dinner. I have to take dinner right now." His mother offered both of them the dinner along with his husband and they all ate the dinner happily. After the dinner, they all sit together and talking to each other. Later on, his father said to both of them, now you should have to revise your entire day work and later on you should have to sleep. So Monu and Sonu both went to their study rooms. At this moment, Sonu took the whole revision of his entire activity of his day and Monu just see the books and started to about sleep. Because of both of them, they have their own tiredness because Sonu has because of his study and Monu has because of his playful activity of the entire day. So the next day they both have the test. They both of them performed the test and Sonu achieved the good marks in the test and Monu achieved the 2 marks out of the 10. When they came back at home, their parents saw the result and scolded them bitterly. At this moment, Monu started crying because of his bad performance in the examination. Monu and Sonu father said to sit together to both of them and understand them the value of time. Especially to the Monu, he understands that my dear Monu son, you always have the habit to postpone the work. This habit make you lazy and because of that today you get only 2 marks. Only you have to need to change your habit and when you will change your habit, automatically you will start to focus on your daily activity. So as of now, my dear son, you should have to do your all work on time and complete your task on time and be perfect in your lives. So that time the Monu understood the value of time and he promised to his father, my dear father, as of now I will obey your all thing and follow the thing that you told me. I accept your suggestion by heart and I will keep it in my mind for forever. So I hope this video is really informative for you and you will also learn the value of time. We should not have to postpone our work. If we will postpone our work, so we are not just losing that time, we are also giving us the burden of the work and that will really detrimental for us one day. So I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching.